I own no stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. I do not touch paper. I'm not saying that you shouldn't, but I think people have been brainwashed by the Fed, the Treasury, and whatever those guys are. Go to school, get a job, pay your taxes, get a high-paying job, and invest for the long term in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. It was in 1974 when I came back from Vietnam, a two-tour Marine helicopter pilot. I saw communism at work. It was not pretty. And I come back in 1974, they passed ERISA. ERISA stands for 401k right now, or IRA. And I went, oh my God, they're funneling my generation, the boomers, into the stock market. And they don't know anything about money. And in 1974, the biggest exodus, Adam, was school teachers suddenly becoming financial planners. I watched that with horror.
Interesting.
I watched it in horror. That's the poor leading the blind. And today we have baby boomers who are hoping the stock market stays up in their 401k just as Social Security goes bust.
Good morning, crypto family. Times are changing. Now, again, what Robert Kiyosaki was saying, it's like communism. Think about it. He don't own any paper. He's not saying it's not good to own some paper. Of course, you need to pay your bills. But at the same time, you have to know what you invest. Now, look at this. Crypto Disciple X. Y'all go give him a follow. He was just saying, Crypto Brown was just telling us in a past video, and the class system is about to change. Okay. Now, if you guys scroll down here and look at this here, wealth level by net worth. Get rich inflation will change everything. Now, the poor class will make $0 to $500,000 a year. The middle class will be making $500,000 to $2 million a year. Now, let's get to the lesser rich. The lesser rich will make $30 million to $80 million a year. Now, with that being said, with this whole inflation, with this whole crash, with this whole recession, everything that seemed like everything is going so horrible. Think way back in 2008. Think about what happened in 2011. Everything went to zero. Then all of a sudden, and major investors, people who didn't know that they invested into this type of crypto will make them so much money. Now, family, just because you see these prices, look at the wealth level by net worth. I'm going to be honest with you guys. If you guys have been investing into digital currencies, into these assets, the new asset class of wealth, family, we will be around comfortable rich all the way down to super rich. And this is an eye-opener. People who did not invest into digital assets and are saving into their 401ks or having a savings account, that is not going to help you as much. I want you to understand that. Things are going to change. Minimum wage is going to change all around the world. You may think it's good because you're getting paid $30 an hour right now, but $30 an hour in the next 2 or 4 years is going to be the same as what you're doing now, but a lot more less. When you invest into these digital assets, you see a lot more gains. You will have financial freedom. Understand that, family. All right? Now Robert Kiyosaki, he's saying this on the end of fake money. Now, a lot of people are talking about, the dollar is fake, which it is. If the federal banks can print money, they tax you. They can tax you. They can tax you about almost everything. But the federal bank cannot print oil. Okay. They definitely cannot print oil. They definitely cannot print digital currencies. So now they're trying to have they can make their own digital currency, but that's why there's already digital assets already out in play. You have to know what digital assets are you investing into. Now, he's saying this. Let me scroll down right quick. He's like this. In a tweet, he was saying, your house is not an asset. Number two, savers are losers. And number three, the rich do not work for money. Okay? So, we are not wealthy right at this time, but we are investing into the new digital asset class. Do you understand what I'm saying? So with us investing, it's going to make us money. It's going to make us money without us even doing anything. The rich are entrepreneurs who do not need a job. He added, noting that these people create jobs, create their own assets, and do well in market crashes. Again, he then emphasized that 2022 is your time to get richer. It is going to get richer. Kiyosaki urged people to invest in real money, naming gold, silver, and Bitcoin. He stressed that the Federal Reserve raising interest rates will destroy the U.S. economy, family. This is going to be huge, man. He recently said and he was in a cash position ready to buy Bitcoin, suggesting at one point that the price of the crypto could test $1,100. Family, are you ready? Are you ready for what is about to come? Like, I know a lot of people lost their energy, their drive. They used to watch the YouTube videos every day when they wake up because they feel like, man, this coin is going to pop up. What's going to happen next? Now, all of a sudden, because we've been on this bear market, and this, I don't even call it a bear market. It's just a Black Friday sale for a whole year. A lot of people tend to lose interest. They're like, man, I can't believe I was just dumping my money in there. I was just in a trance. I was in a trance of fake money. This is not going to happen. But do you know you're going to work for fake money? Do you know that the federal banks can keep on printing and printing and printing when they're saying that we're such in debt? No, we're not. We're not in debt, but they keep on freaking printing. But they cannot print digital assets. Now, look at the prices. Look at the prices of the market right now. Is this scaring you guys? Is this going to put you guys in a different holding? Now, you guys see like Bitcoin down to 18,000, XRP at 46 cents, Dogelon Mars is down by 2%. A lot of people are not focusing on what's going on in the markets. A lot of people are not looking at the prices right now and not saying, oh, well, let me go ahead and buy in. No, they're being hesitant because they believe the money that they work for is more valuable than investing into these digital assets. Now, with Dogecoin, a lot of people are losing the fact that there's no other fork connected to Dogecoin except for Dogelon Mars. And this is the fact that a lot of people tend to not understand or comprehend. It is the fork to Dogecoin. So family, when Dogecoin shoots up, when anybody or the whole investors are talking about, oh, Dogecoin is trending, Dogecoin is trending, a lot of people don't understand the fork, which is Dogelon. It is Dogelon, family. So there's forks and different type of digital assets that you have to pay close attention to and what to invest in. You're not investing into bullcrap. These assets, what you guys hold, will change your future. And your future will be tomorrow, next year. Anything will happen. Now, you guys seen Luna C price skyrockets 25% in 5 minutes as Binance announced major update on burning, family. Even Luna C is going to start touching high numbers because they're starting to tend to burn. They're starting to the burn of what they have, family. So with the prices shooting up, Dogelon know what he's doing. He knows that Lunacy is going to shoot back higher than what it was before, $121. So family, stay close, pay close attention of what's going on in the markets. And again, once again, dollar cost average of when you're purchasing these digital assets, because they're going to change your future. They're going to change your kids' future. Market cap $141 million. Come on, family. It's in the Polygon ecosystem. The Polygon ecosystem. Solana's at 32. Let me see. Let me scroll down right quick. Polygon right now, Matic, is at 74 cents right now. All right. Let's see the all-time high of Polygon. Let's get right here. Overview. I want you guys to see this to understand where we are at. So the all-time high of Polygon was around $2.90. $2.90. It's going to push up the price of Dogelon. Look up Polygon. It's good to go ahead and try to grab you some Polygon. But other than that, family, I appreciate you guys liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.